If you've been looking at the X-Pro Drax Apex, you've probably seen some pretty bold claims. So, is this electric dirt bike actually worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped machine? Let's take a quick look. The Drax Apex is built for riders who want serious electric dirt bike performance. It comes with a 72-volt, 35Ah battery and a motor rated at up to 10,000 watts peak power. It also uses 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels. And honestly, the numbers look impressive. The biggest selling point is the power. Owners report strong acceleration and plenty of torque. Some riders say it handles hills and rough trails surprisingly well. The suspension is another highlight. It feels designed for real off-road riding, not just cruising around the neighborhood. But there are a few things I would keep in mind. This is not a lightweight toy. It has serious power, so beginners should take it slowly. And battery range will depend heavily on how you ride. Hard acceleration and aggressive trail riding can drain the battery much faster. The good news is that current customer feedback is generally positive. Several verified buyers praise the build quality, power, suspension and overall value. So, is the X-Pro Drax Apex a scam? Based on the product information and customer feedback I found, it does not look like a scam. Is it perfect? No, but if you want a powerful electric dirt bike without jumping straight into the most expensive options, the Drax Apex looks like a serious contender. For me, the verdict is simple. It looks legit, and for the right rider, it could definitely be worth it.